how do I organize my music in Apple Music? My DJ bro contacted me wanting to know, how do I organize my music in Apple Music? So it's an old iTunes trick, but you can still use it in Apple Music. So I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Okay, so first thing you need is that open Apple Music up right here. And as you can see, I already have a DJ Crate folder set. Now, this does take some prep work. So, and I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So, get info. So, in here, you want to make sure that you set your genre. So that way, it's easy to filter. So, you got to do some prep work with your music. You can't just automatically add the music to Apple Music and think you're good. You have to do some prep work first. So if you got a folder, so I like to do folders when I'm downloading music, like on a USB. So I might have a folder for house, a folder for dubstep, so forth and so on. So bass music, all that. So as you saw, I have something that says future. So now I can come here and let's say I want to make a playlist, which I don't have one, that's called future. I can just go here. Yeah, you can do it that way. So you want to do smart playlist, and now from here you pick genre, contains, and you say future. Or if you want to be even more strict, you can say future bass. So contains future bass. And then here, you can add another container of like, have all your tracks, or you can limit it, so forth and so on. For smart playlists, I always like the live update, so that way it gets them in there live. Now, one thing that you can also do, that I like to do, is you can also come here and do year, and you do a is, and you just say what the year is. So that way, you know, you're playing current tracks from that year, or you could separate from like, all right, I want to do some 90s jam. So now I have a whole genre of whatever genre I have, but in that year. So that's how I do it. So it takes a little work, but it does work.